Hello and welcome to Delprintsol. We are a digital marketing agency. So as you can see on the screen, there are dynamic visuals of digital marketing activities, vibrant graphics, and engaging music. At Delprintsol, we specialize in using content to help B2B and B2C markets excel. Our approach is simple yet powerful. Attract, educate, excite, and convert prospects. So, in this scene, we find ourselves in an insurance office. This is one of the B2B markets that we spoke about earlier. In this place, we see agents engage warmly with clients amidst lights and ringing phones. A digital display shows live market trends and posters to promote various products. Next, we shift to a high-energy banking environment with an employer in sharp suit analyzing financial statements and brainstorming in a glass-walled conference room. The bank's logo on the left signifies its focus on security and innovation. Next, we shift to small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs for short. These are businesses that are small in scale, typically with fewer than 250 employees and a relatively low turnover. Some of the ownerships are often owned by single persons. Some often operate within a localized market, and services are always on a single service or product. Finally, we move to a vibrant real estate office where agents discuss property listings around a large table surrounded by images of stunning homes. The atmosphere is dynamic as they share excitement over market trends. So you can see that each industry showcases its unique environment and culture, creating a cohesion professional life narrative across various sectors. So whether you are in insurance, banking, real estate, or any other sector, our tailored content strategies are designed to meet your unique needs. Now let's get into the subject of our discussion, digital marketing. Digital marketing connects ideal and passive prospects to the information they seek, where it attracts and engages your target audience through keyword search, optimized websites, and social media. And here is how we do it. We help you define your audience, research their needs, and set content goals. 2. We also assist in selecting effective content types like blogs, videos, and infographics, and optimize them for search engines. 3. We can help you design a content calendar for consistency, so you can personalize your messages for different segments and boost engagement with interactive elements like video marketing and some of the things that you see me doing right now. Our analytics enable performance monitoring and continuous improvement based on audience feedback. So when you get a feedback from your audience, it helps you to know which way to go next. The question on the screen is why you should choose us, or why choose us? Choose us because we use tailored content strategies. These are customized strategies that can be used for insurance, banking, and real estate. Let me explain. So when you define your target audience, you are able to know what their needs are, and you are able to design a content customized strategy, for them. So we also use digital marketing integration. That is, we help you combine digital marketing with the content that you create that can engage your potential customers. In addition to that, keyword research is so important, and that is what people have been searching for. They type certain kinds of phrases looking for certain type of information. So we use content to discover and connect your company with your audience. So it is important that you use some of these things. Then we also help you to optimize your website. It becomes user-friendly. People don't have problems searching and looking for information on your website. Optimized websites can help you rank well for visibility and functionality. If it is not optimized, people may not be coming to your website at all. Then the last one is social media engagement. You can always share a story. What I'm doing now is sharing a story. Share a story, can do campaign encouraging policyholders to share positive experiences for brand awareness with incentives like discounts or gift cards. Are designed to meet your unique needs. In this scene, you can see visuals of keyword research, website optimization, social media engagement. So, for example, we can use our expertise in keyword search to help your content reach those actively looking for it. Keyword research identifies what potential customers you seek, and that guides content creation and SEO. When your websites are optimized, they offer a user-friendly experience and search rankings, while social media fosters interaction with brand awareness and connections. Together, these components create a solid digital marketing strategy. And that's what I was talking about in the earlier slide. We would talk more about this in subsequent slides or scenes. The last lap of our digital marketing presentation is about how sales team can use digital tools. So we do not leave sales out of our solutions. We leverage sales-enabled tools, email marketing, social media management tools are all software applications that help users manage multiple social media accounts in one place. And the key benefits are you are able to plan and publish posts across platforms in advance, that is scheduling. Then monitoring would also help you track conversations and respond to comments. Then you can also do analytics, that is analyze audience engagement for better posting strategies on social media. Then you can also collaborate with your team in social media managing. You can also look at your performance through performance metrics, that is monitor accounts performance, also look at trend and analysis. You can stay updated on social media trends. Then the last one is on social media, you are able to do what we call customer improvement service with prompt responses to queries and ideas that customers bring forth. All these things will help you to guide prospects through their journey. From attracting attention to converting leads, Delprintsol is your partner in achieving marketing success. Our strategies are designed to deliver results no matter your industry or business size. So you can see in this scene a demonstration of what effective marketing strategies offer. A client smiling and holding up successful marketing materials and social media engagement which has hit the roof, showcasing their satisfaction and trust in Delprintsol. Join us at Delprintsol and discover how we can help your business thrive in the digital age. Visit our website to learn more. Scan the QR code to link up or contact us today to learn more through our mobile phone. Thank you.